बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 39 है जिसमें हम मॉडल मस्ट को स्टडी करेंगे। सो लेट्स डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू द लेसन। दिस मॉडल इज़ यूज टू इंडिकेट कंप्लीट ऑब्लिगेशन। दिस इज़ स्ट्रॉन्गर देन शुड। हम शुड को पिछले लेसन में स्टडी कर चुके हैं, जिसका मतलब है रेकमेंड करना या एडवाइस करना, विच इज़ बिट लीनियंट। बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मस्ट विद शुड, the person have some choice left or whether a person act or not. But when you are saying someone must, then the person has no choice left whatsoever. So इसकी हम examples से देख लेते हैं. Number one, one must endorse a check before one cashes it. So you have no other option. Before you cash your check, you have to endorse it regardless. So you have no other option. So it's a must to do thing. Example number two says George must call his insurance agent today. So it means he must be on the point where he has no more days left. That's why he has no other option. He has to call for the agent today. Example 3, the pharmacist must keep a record of the prescriptions that are filled. So he has no other option. The pharmacist has no other choice than to keep the record of prescriptions he has been prescribing thus far. The question 4 is an automobile must have a gasoline to run, otherwise the automobile can't run. So the must thing is to have a gasoline in. Example 5 is attorney. An attorney must pass an examination before practicing law. So what do you expect an attorney if he has not passed exam? So the must thing is that he must have a pass examination. And the final example is the freezer must be kept at -20 degrees, else your things will not work out. So the must condition is when you have no other option, no other choice to make. Another condition where you can use must model is when you have some logical conclusions drawn. For example, must is used to indicate that the speaker assumes something to be true from the facts that are available but is not absolutely certain of the truth. मस्ट कंडीशन हम उस वक्त भी यूज़ करते हैं मॉडल को जब आपके पास तमाम जो भी कंडीशंस ऑन ग्राउंड रियलिटीज़ हैं वो आपको बता रही हैं कि ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए एज पर लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन्स, डिस्पाइट कि आपके पास एब्सोल्यूट सर्टन ट्रूथ की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, आप कंप्लीटली श्योर नहीं है, बट लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन ग्राउंड रियलिटी से आपको यही कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर है उसको आप बताते वक्त मस्ट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. हम इस एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. जॉन्स लाइट्स आर आउट, ही मस्ट बी एस्लीप. सो अब इसकी कमरे की लाइट बंद है तो मोर लाइकली द पर्सन सपोज टू स्लीप, सो वी अज्यूम दैट जॉन इज स्लीपिंग बिकॉज द लाइट्स आर आउट. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 says the grass is wet, it must be raining. So regardless the grass can be wet for any other reason, but since it is wet, so we assume that it's raining because the grass is wet. So this was all about the model must. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.